This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3545 is a Class A RV. It is located in Winter Garden, Florida, 34787 and is offered for sale by Independence RV Sales. This new Newmar is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a Kingsley Decor, Dover Rift Hardwood interior, Sleeps 2, TV antenna, CO detector, self-contained, slideout, smoke detector, awning, external shower, skylight, air conditioning, leveling jacks, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features front entertainment, front living area, full wall slide, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2022 Newmar New Aire 3545 is built on a Spartan K2 chassis. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Independence RV Sales, visit RVUSA.com.